Hello guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. We've got the perfect collection of Chanderi fabrics for you, which is new and exclusive in our store. So let me show you all of the pastel colors that you guys are looking for. So let's get started. So here we've got a gorgeous collection of Chanderi fabrics for you, newly and exclusive in our store. Starting off with this really nice and vibrant color of yellow Chanderi fabric in front of you. Beautiful embroidery work done across it in nice rose colors and this beautiful stripe pattern that also runs across this fabric in beautiful foil kind of embroidery. Nice sequin work, and you can see a little bit of zari motifs done. It's a mixture of all kinds of weaving and embroidery that you would like to see in a Chanderi fabric, and it's not too grand as well. It's perfectly elegant to create a nice kurta for a haldi reception as well, or if you want to create any kind of kurtas or straight cut suits as well for haldi, this fabric would look really good. Now another color that we've selected here is a sage green kind of Chanderi color. Now this is also perfect because the pink color embroidery work that you see on it and the sage green gives a very nice complementary tone to the both colors, and you can see the stripe work with nice golden foil kind of zari work done across the fabric, which makes it look very different and unique. If you wanted to create a beautiful blouse for your sari with the shade of pink or a green shade and you want to go for a monochromatic look for your blouse piece, this fabric would be perfect for it. Or if you want to create any kurti wear for a casual day out too, this Chanderi fabric would be the perfect fabric. So here we've got a really light and cream shade of Chanderi fabric, again in the same kind of design that I've shown you earlier guys. So here you can see the silver zari weaving that has been done in nice motif work, perfect if you want to go for a little bit of elegant look too. And these fabrics are quite soft on your skin, and they are very lightweight, and they are quite breathable, so they're perfect during this season, exclusively found in our store. So if you want to create a nice menswear kurta too with this kind of cream shade, it would be perfect. Or if you want to create a short kurti for yourself, this fabric would look really good on you. Now in our next Chanderi fabric, here I've got a different design of Chanderi for you. It's in a nice all over embroidery work that has been done in a lighter tone of the base color with very pretty and very intricate foil work that has done like beautiful shades of sparkle all over the fabric. It makes it look very different and unique. So if you want to create a nice summer dress for yourself, a long dress or even a short dress with this kind of fabric, it would look really perfect, and the sequin work across it on the embroidery also look quite gorgeous. A very neutral shade of Chanderi we've got here for you. We have a beautiful collection of pastels and neutrals in this, one of which is this nice neutral shade of beige color Chanderi fabric. Now this could be perfect for any kind of menswear outfits that you'd like to customize, be it a kurta, a shirt, a long kurta as well, or if you want to go for a vest also and you want to create something very different and unique, this Chanderi fabric would look really good for it. You can take a look at all of the work that has been done. It's very minimal, yet it looks quite elegant and grand. Perfect to create any kind of outfits you have in mind for a day out event too. Being Chanderi, it's quite breathable and soft, so it's never going to be a hassle when it comes to sweat or anything else. Now this shade of Chanderi is quite beautiful. You can take a look at how nice and this baby pink Chanderi fabric is. It's perfect if you want to create any kids wear outfits too, be it a really cute frock or a nice blouse piece for your sari, or if you want to create a cute kurta for your kids too, this fabric would look really good on you. Now you can see the embroidery work being pink and the fabric being in the pink shade makes it look like a really nice contrast for the entire fabric. Perfect to create any kind of dreamy kind of collection that you want to make, any nice dresses that you have in mind too. This Chanderi fabric would look really good. Now in another collection of Chanderi, we've got something different and unique. All these designs were a little bit different and unique to itself. This one too is a little bit different from the other Chanderi fabrics that I've shown you. This is a nice collection of Chanderi which has gorgeous embroidery work done on it in nice floral motifs, and it looks really beautiful because the thread work is quite intricate and gorgeous, and inside of it you can see light sequin work and a little bit of foil work done across the fabric. Perfect if you want to create a nice suit set for yourself, an A-line kurta as well, or even an anarkali. This kind of pink color would obviously look very beautiful. It's in a nice shade of bubblegum pink, which makes it look very feminine and very pleasing to the eyes. Now here we've picked a nice neutral shade of beige tone which makes it look really nice and it looks minimal too. If you want to create any menswear outfit with this kind of chanderi, it would be perfect to customize. You can take a look at the very light foil work and very light sequin work that has been done, which makes it look not very grand yet it looks simple and elegant. So for creating any long kurtas, or you want to create any kind of kurtas for your casual day out or for an event too, this neutral shade would really make you stand out and make you look really good. Now here we've selected a nice shade of green tone. It's a little bit of a light pastel bottle green color which makes it look very unique and different. This shade is obviously very complementary to any skin tones because of the pastel color and the muted tone of this chanderi fabric. With very nice sequin work and beautiful foil work, this fabric also would really make you stand out. You can create nice blouse pieces, dupattas, sarees and many more outfits with this kind of fabric. So here we've selected this nice blue shade of chanderi fabric in our final shade. We've got nice collection of pastel in all the 3 embroidery work that I've shown you in this chanderi collection. Now here in this thread work that you see here, it's in a lighter tone of the base color, making it look very elegant and different. If you wanted to create a nice Indo-Western kind of look too, or you want a breathable shirt, you can customize it into that fabric, or you can create any kind of modern outfits you have in mind like dresses or any kind of suits or sarees. This fabric would look really nice. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel Fabric by Singhanias and follow us on all our social media handles. If you want to know more about the collection that we've shown you, you can comment down and you can come down to our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.